Introducing how to use your new quiet Hisense portable air conditioner with snap assembly window kit. The Hisense portable air conditioner is the perfect way to stay cool without having to compromise the exterior appearance of your home. Keep your home in the cool comfort zone. A window installation kit is included for vertical sliding windows 18 to 50 inches wide or horizontal sliding windows from 18 to 50 inches high. For proper cooling performance, the window kit must be installed correctly. To operate the air conditioner, begin by plugging in the unit to your outlet and then confirm that the reset button is pressed in, which is necessary for the air conditioner to be turned on. Press the power button to start, and it will run in super cooling mode, set at 61 degrees high fan speed. Cooling cools the area. Press fan to select high, mid, or low. Dry dehumidifies the area. Fan only runs the fan by itself. Select high, mid, or low using the fan button. Heating heats the area. Cycle through the fan speeds by pressing the fan button. Select the temperature using the plus and minus buttons. Subsequent use of the air conditioner will default to the previous mode. Your Hisense air conditioner is designed to be waterless, meaning there is no need to drain condensate. However, in extremely humid conditions or in heat mode, if the unit displays the error code E5, the water reservoir is full inside the unit, indicating a need to drain water. To drain, move it to a suitable location. Make sure to keep it level to avoid spilling water, and place a pan under the drain plug. Then, remove the plug, allowing all the water to drain. Congratulations! Your Hisense portable air conditioner will provide many years of dependable use.